Hey guys, have you heard about UFO sightings in New Jersey and on TikTok? Yeah, so I compiled some of the videos I found and check it out. See for yourself.
What the hell is that that's just floating out there?
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no.
Dead ass, look. It's a fucking spaceship. Look, the whole street is fucking stopped. There's a fucking flying spaceship. What the fuck?
Yo, I don't know, but everybody stopped to see the aliens. It says, that's what everybody said, bro. I don't know if that's true or not, but everybody blocked the highway. Say the aliens come to get us, I don't know.
Talking about this.
Okay, this is literally a fucking UFO. Like, it's just floating. The shit was closer. It went up. A light was like shining from it, like a beam. And this shit is just fucking flat. And it was moving in like circles. Like it was going like this, like around and around and around and around. And this shit is just floating right here now.